Did women have a revolution? The role of women in the French Revolution was very prominent. Their active participation alone had brought about important changes in the French society. Most women belonged to the third estate. They worked as tailors, laundresses, and seamstresses. They sold fruits, flowers, and vegetables, and worked in the houses of the prosperous people as maids. Most women were illiterate. Daughters of only the nobles and well-to-do people could get education in the convents. Women got much less wages as compared to their male counterparts. The Constitution of 1791 only disappointed the womenfolk. The main factor of this was that women were not given right to vote. Women started demanding for themselves the right to vote and the right to be elected to the assembly. They also demanded political positions for themselves so that they might claim their vote and might raise their voice. Women formed their own clubs to give extension to their voice and interests. In the contemporary society, women had 60 women clubs in existence. The clubs spread in many French cities. The Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women was the most famous club of all. Women brought out newspapers too. Laws made by the revolutionary government to improve the conditions of women. In the early years, the revolutionary government implemented laws that would improve the lives of women. As a result, women got a right to gain education in government schools. It was made compulsory. Now women could manage according to their own choice. They now could not be forced by their fathers to marry against their own will. Marriage was made a voluntary contract by law, and its registration was made compulsory. Divorce was legalized. For it, men and women both could apply. Training of women started so that they could become artists, could start their own business. The gaining of voting right by the French women. The struggle of women for their political rights continued. During the period of Reign of Terror, the government had shut down women's clubs and their political activities were banned by law. Women's struggle for right to vote continued at international level till 19th and the beginning of 20th century. Ultimately, French women achieved the right to vote in 1946.
Please like and subscribe in this my channel.